Gotta sound pumped, man. We better get ready to draw the gingerbread man.
Okay.
All right, so let's start over. Let's start over. All right, you go.
Okay. Hi guys, this is Draw.
No, you gotta be like, hey guys, welcome to my channel. You gotta be pumped up and be like, this is the dopest channel ever.
Oh. Hello guys, this is Draw with Jayden, and hello guys, this is Draw with Jayden, and this is my dad, and I'm Jayden, and we're gonna be drawing a gingerbread man.
Yeah, baby, we're gonna be drawing the gingerbread man.
That's what I'm talking about.
You ready?
Yeah.
Boom. All right. So now with the gingerbread,
I kind of missed the bottom one.
Boom.
That was nice.
Yeah, that was. All right. So to get ready to draw a gingerbread man, let's first start off with the head. So the gingerbread, you guys know, he has a circle head. So we're gonna try to draw a circle, and it doesn't have to be perfect.
I want to use a circle for his head.
You can use that. Here, use the. Oh, okay, you can use that. That's what Jayden's gonna use. But when you draw it, he's gonna have a big head. Don't draw. You don't want to draw a full complete circle. You want to stop to about here. So you want to draw your circle around, and then you want to stop so it can create his body. You ready?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about.
I don't have to draw that.
Go ahead.
See, look at my marker. See, it's almost complete, like not working.
Now I got my gingerbread man head. How you looking, Jayden?
Not done. Yeah, wait.
All right, cool. So now we have the gingerbread head. We're gonna get ready to draw the gingerbread man's arms. So you want to draw from here
to there,
about right there. Let's go for it. Stop. Now you
mine's almost look like a snowman.
Yeah. Now you want to do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. And it doesn't have to be perfect, you
Look,
guys.
mine looks like a human.
Looks like a human?
Yeah, looks like a human.
Okay, so now that we have the side of his arms, make the arms go around here on this side. And right here, do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna go up just a little bit, Jayden. Do it on the other side. That's all right. So now that we know where our arms are, now you want to go and start to draw the legs. So you want to go from here at this point and go down. And you want to kind of draw a U shape for his legs. So now let's get ready to draw the legs.
The U shape.
Now we want to draw a U shape. Just like that. And you want to do the same thing on the other side.
Mine looks like a thing.
Draw another U shape.
That's hard. It looks like a human too.
Just like that.
I told you.
Now, let's get ready to draw the eyes on the side of his face. Here and right there. So I'm going to draw a circle, small circle on both sides.
That reminds me. So I'll just use this. I'm going to draw a little tiny circle. And then I'm going to color it in. That color yours in.
Now, you want to make the smile.
That he has a smile like that.
Draw a U shape. And
see, look. I'm done already.
Just like that.
I'm done already.
Now you want to draw the eyebrows.
What? I forgot about those. Look at my eyebrows.
Good job.
Look at that.
So now you want to draw him some buttons. So
what?
Draw him a button here.
Button.
Draw him another button. So now, let's draw some icing. Draw some icing on each side. Draw it on the other side. Now, let's make him an icing belt from here. Now, let's make some icing on his legs.
And his name is...
Now, let's finish the open smile. Let's go back to the smile.
Jade. His name is Jade. His name is Jayden. I mean...